What is that back there, buddy?
It's a rattlesnake?
That would be a rattlesnake, huh? What do you think? Should we get on out of here?
Yeah.
There's Oakley HQ. That's the ocean behind that. And that would be a rattlesnake behind us on the trail. So, what do you say? Let's mosey on out of here, Big Daddy.
Maybe he's going to chase us.
He ain't going to chase us. We're outie.
Here? Maybe he's going to be mad.
I hope he ain't mad.
Don't slow down this part.
All right. Here we go. You hanging on? Is that snake behind us?
No.
Better not be.
Yes. He's behind us. He's behind us.
No, he's not behind us.
I saw him.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Stop it.
That's us.
He sent it to Mom.
Will I send it to Mom? I don't think we're going to send that to Mom. I think we're going to get out of here. Whoa. Pedal. Are you pedaling? You gotta get away from that rattlesnake. That was pretty freaky, huh?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Maybe those boys were. Maybe it was going to be freakier when those boys were on that trail.
You think so?
Yeah, and then they didn't see it, and the rattlesnake was coming by them.
Yeah.
And it was trying to get them.
Whoa.
That was
Gonna
going to
get
be
me.
freaky.
Woo! That was pretty cool.
Yeah. Honestly, ever seen like that?
Did we make it away from that rattlesnake by now?
Yeah.
I hope so.